Hey guys, it's Pyro Mike here. I just finally got back from the fireworks stands. They finally opened up. If you live in the Alvin, Texas area, go to Big Daddy Fireworks. I highly recommend them. Tell them Pyro Mike sent you. Alright, here's starting with my stash. I got some of these 8-ounce rockets by Brother Pyrotechnics. Got a good deal on these shells for 12 bucks. 12 artillery shells. They look like the true ball shells. Let's see. Got a box of these artillery shells, but I think they're mini cans. Got 2 boxes of these bacon bombs. I think these are new this year. I had a box before these, the M1000s. I highly recommend them. I've never tried these before. I've never actually tried the big mega crackling balls. Super jumbo crackling balls. Got a brick of these crackling ground balloons. I highly recommend this cake called Cat Fight. 2 25-shot Saturn missile batteries. 2 of them. Then I got this fountain called Boom Barrel. And y'all have a safe 4th. I'll probably have another video up again soon. Peace out.